All right, so this is combined work problem on the GMAT. Let's get started. Steve takes 10 hours to complete a task. Jen takes 8 hours to complete the same task. How long would it take them both to complete the task together? So let's check this out. So Steve taking 10 hours to complete the task. Let's say we create a variable. Let's say X was the number of hours it took them both to complete the task. Steve taking 10 hours can be represented by X over 10. Now we're going to add, right, because we're adding the labor, Jen's labor and Steve's labor together. How do we represent her 8 hours to complete the same task? X over 8. So the number of hours total combined is X. It's going to be X over 10. Steve's time to complete the task. Jen's 8 hours to complete the same task is X over 8. Add those up. Equals, how long would it take them both to complete the task together? This is where a lot of students get tripped up. And there are other routes that I've seen a lot of other companies share that I think are much more challenging. And I think this is the cleanest, simplest construction of the best method to get to the right answer. And your answer is equals 1. Because you're completing one task. You're adding these up and you're trying to get to one complete task. So now what's our LCD of 10 and 8? Easiest way to solve LCD is start at the top number, the highest number on the number line. That's 10. And check to see if 8 goes into 10 evenly. Nope. 20. Nope. 30. Nope. 40. Yep. So you quadruple it. Our LCD is now 40. So now it's going to be 4x over 40. Our lowest common denominator is now 40. Bring this plus straight down. Plus 5x over 40. Right? Because 8 times 5 is 40. 1 times 5 is 5. So here 10 times 4 is 40. 1 times 4 is 4. Right? Equals 1. Now, we're the same rules when you're adding these fractions with variables in them. The same rules apply as if you were doing 1/2 plus 1/3. Right? You're going to make the LCD the same, or find the LCD, get the fractions to have that LCD in the bottom, and then add up the numerators. The denominator stays the same. So it stays the LCD. So 9x over 40 equals 1. Multiply both sides by 40. And you have 9x equals 40. Divide both sides by 9. And it's going to be x equals 40 over 9. Now, what is 40 over 9? 40 over 9, if we were to turn this into an improper fraction, is going to be 4 4/9. So it's 4 4/9 hours. Our answer is going to be D, final answer.